Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar, and I was searching online for the best budget CPL filter, which is a circular polarized filter. What did I do? Well, I was searching on the most expensive filters that cost $200, $300 and see what they had in common. So I searched for that and I found out that they all have MRC, which is a multi-nano coated layers. And second thing I found out is that they have Schott's B270 German made crystal. So this is what I found for the budget, same specs but in a budget price for less than $30. This is what you're gonna get. This is a Lenskins CPL filter, which I'm gonna do recording without the filter and with the filter on. And with the filter on, I'm gonna move it in a circular motion so you can see that it does work. So just take it out of the box. You can see right now it comes in a plastic box. Obviously, if you buy a budget filter, you're not gonna get a fancy box. Get it out of the way. And we got the filter right here by Lenskins. Like I said, this is a circular polarized filter, and we can turn it so you can get the emotion, the effect that we want. So let's do recording without and with the filter. All right, guys, for this test, I'm checking out the reflection on this black pickup truck. And right now I don't have the filter on. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw on the polarized filter. Bear with me. Okay, now I have it on and I'm gonna turn it so you can see the difference. We can still see the reflection on the truck, but as I turn it, we can get rid of that reflection. You can see how here's the reflection again, and now I'm taking it away by turning the polarized filter. Here are my fingers actually. So now we're gonna focus on the back of this pickup truck right there, and we're gonna do a circular. Check that out. Here's the reflection normally with if it didn't have the filter, but we do the circular motion and we get that polarized that we want. Check that out. Reflection, no reflection. Well, alright guys, this is the CPL filter by Lenskins. I hope you like this video. If you want to buy one of these, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and I thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.